Déjà vu feels like living a moment, twice. It begins with a sudden, strange familiarity. The brain misfires, matching new moments to old ones. Scientists call it a memory glitch, but others believe it's a glimpse beyond time. Some say we remember events we never lived. The feeling lasts only seconds, yet it feels oddly meaningful. One theory says our brain processes reality late, as if we experience the moment twice. Another theory points to short-term memory overlap. The brain copies before it finishes pasting. Some link déjà vu to dreams we forgot, as if reality follows a script we've seen before. In rare moments, it feels predictive. But science finds no real future memory. Our brain simply guesses, very fast. And sometimes, it guesses correctly. A sudden match feels like fate. Others say déjà vu hints at parallel worlds. Two realities brushing for a split second. A moment duplicated, then gone. No matter the cause, it's unforgettable. A tiny glitch in the story of our mind. And maybe a hint of something deeper. More mysteries await. This is Nova from Worlds of Facts.